좋겠죠? 우와, 커브된 돈을. 고마워.
Haley. Thank you.
네. 하고 어떻게 사랑 그래요?
I don't know what to try first. There's like 5 different serums. Try all of them at once. I think these are toner pads though. Can you take one of these?
Okay.
Take one and you just I think, wipe it all over your face. It's a toner pad.
It was Eddie.
Perfect
Okay,
serum.
that's not this.
Stura Blemish Relief Serum.
Wait, I'm falling behind.
I know, you are.
It's just like school.
It's okay. There's no wrong answers here. Youth Radiance Vitatinol Serum. This is retinol.
Which one?
Super serum. These ones.
No particular order?
No particular order. You can't go wrong. Next is the Estura Barrier Cream. I have 2 creams.
Is it? Freaking order put on.
Already.
Good.
More moisturizer. I'm just using whatever's on
This one?
the peel, I think. Yes. We use this too.
Okay.
And here's Haley.
She's listening to her tunes.
Yeah, it's for all of us actually. That actually is really nice. Thank you. So I made a blender and got off at the wrong subway stop, so we're a little bit late to meet Haewon. But at last we are in Apgujeong. This kids cafe is so darn cute. Is this really Korea? There are no foreigners. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Okay, let's read that one.
Yeah, is that the Korean book? Is that a Korean book?
Yok. Ha.
Is that, are you wanting to read this book?
Yeah, this is banana milk.
How do they get them in there? Cool. One like I swim like a jellyfish. Boop.
So cool.
Wouldn't it say don't climb in here? She's too short. She's like crouching, but she doesn't need to.
Oh my god. There's a shark in the water. Well done.
얼마나 있냐? 8종류 이상, 40마리 이상 갖고 있습니다. 자, 우리 뒤에 한국인 분들도 제대로 보여드릴게요.
Okay, go through.
Just speak up and throw away. It's okay, we have a toilet if you want to wash your hand. 저희 화장실 있어가지고. What's your name? Can. Okay, Can. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. And Can's girlfriend.
We're waiting for Mama and Oppa to do the burger. One way is too short to go on. Mama, look. Look at the octopus. Octopus. That's cool. Is that cool?
Look at the seal. It's so cute.
Yeah, look at this house. Nice house. Look at his claws. Look at I found an otter.
잠깐이라도
압구정로 10
내가 못 알아들었으면
백드.
Tambourines. Oh, yo. Can you have
You can press it, Mom.
Fail.
You put it on my.
They're really popular now.
It's not like I don't want them.
Is that the only color?
I don't know. Pass.
You try the other one.
Oh, these are the same style. This is different style. I can't tell the difference.
See? A little bit too big.
Oh, these are bigger. What are these?
That would give you like the
These are
transition
tinted.
feel.
I think you can put whatever lens you want in them.
What do you want, girl?
Did she just grab one herself?
Your daughter, so she goes me, just her whole face. Look at
Oh my god.
No, bro.
Moy moy. Ara. Wait, moy moy. Wait, mommy's coming. Here.
This should be like chef's review. How did it taste? Literally show them a video.
Okay. Not packing up diapers. Oops.
Important documentation.
We are all showered, but I really wanted to open this bag from Dunst. Jacob, do you want to help me open it? Can you take this out? What's inside? Ooh, what do you think it is? Go ahead and pull. Oh, look at this coat.